HR associate at iTeach Schools, which is a not-for-profit here in Pune, and I'm always looking for ways to improve, and I love data. I really enjoy playing around with data. Data holds so many answers to so many questions that we have at an organization level, and as HR at the organization, I think it's a great move from my part to be doing this and then taking this knowledge back to my peers and my managers and hopefully getting some great things out of the analysis that we do conduct. The dynamic is really different because like when we were in college, so we've experienced the professor style of teaching. They're talking to us and we're listening, and then they'll ask us questions, prompt us and cold call us. So there's that aspect, and then there's the aspect of, ooh, I will go on a different tangent and tell you a story from my life that I know you'll love, and then it just works, surprisingly just works, because it fits in so well with the professor aspect of it. The context that it's building is immensely helpful, so I'm really enjoying it. Definitely, after attending the session, I think it's really helpful for everyone in this field because it does talk about very basic things that we overlook. Just having basic, if we're aligned about the same definitions, very basic definitions like resignation, attrition. We use it on a daily basis, every day. It's a very common thing, but do we really mean the same thing when we talk about them? Is the percentage, or is talking about the data, do we mean the same thing? So before we can jump into the numbers, I think this session has brought this out immensely for me, is you need to align with your team, with your peers. Are we on the same page? Like I said, alignment is extremely important, and I feel like that has been lacking, at least for me. I'm not sure what definitions, some terms that I use on a daily basis, if the definitions that I understand them as is the same as my manager or my peers. So that is a definite alignment rather bit. And then second, facilitation. Like I said, the facilitation is just so dynamic. One is very teacher-student facilitation. The other is, oh, I'm your friend, I will give you my stories and you will learn immensely from them. So I'm really enjoying this.